This is my wife's new favorite toy. So what's it called?
So Tineco ifloor 3 Breeze series. Floor, a vacuum and washer. So once it's finished, this was where you put the clean water. If I want to do it again, I put in some of the solution in the water. When it's dirty, ugh, look at all that nastiness. Okay. And you have to pull that out. And then I just pour it down the toilet. Clean this off.
So how much time in between?
Oh, the battery will last about 20 minutes. It comes with this little sponge filter, so 2 of them. So periodically I would take that sponge out, put the clean one in, rinse this one off, let it dry.
Hey, if you get anything out of this, hit the like button. It really helps the video. Thanks a lot.
Together, so snap that back in. That's your dirty water tank. And then you can take this brush off. And this pulls up. And you can see there's this dirt in here. You want to wipe that off. I can usually fill with the clean water about every 2 or 3 times before I do all the cleaning here. Just rub that out. I'm done for the day. I go ahead. I'm just trying to take care of it because I just got it. You do you. One time I was having some problems. Seemed like the water wasn't coming out. And so I just removed this and did that clean. I rubbed along here's where the water comes out. So I just wiped along here, and then it worked again. I'm going to set this aside so it can dry and put the dry one on. If I wanted to use it anymore, I'd have to fill the clean water tank. That's where I would put the solution, cap full of solution, put clean water there. I can usually fill this 2 or 3 times for every battery run. So to install it, you put that there. This side has a notch for this. Push that in. There's a little notch there where that will match up. Kind of hook it in each side, and then fold it in, snap it in place. So on a single charge, it'll last about 20 minutes at least. I can usually get almost all of our downstairs done with one charge. And it's great because it'll work on these engineered hardwood floors, and also then in my bathrooms on the vinyl or tile. Okay, so this isn't normally where I have it plugged in, but just so I can show you, it comes with this tray. The tray does nothing. You can just set it in there. This is where you can prop the brush up. But I want to show you this. So it is not a cordless charge. You just plug it in here and plug it in. And then you see the blue light blinks. Takes several hours. Instructions say 4 to 5 hours to get back to fully charged. And it will stop blinking when it's charged. Something else important to note is when you use it, you turn it on by pushing this button, and then you press this button to get the maximum water flow. And then the blue light will be blinking because you're using maximum water flow. And then when you want to turn it off, you'll push the button to turn it off. It'll keep running for a little bit. When you set it upright, then it goes a few seconds and then it shuts off.
Hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.